channel. For everyone who's new, I'm the vegan Bossa. Today we are going to prepare not one but two different oatmeal cookie recipes. These recipes are simple and easy to prepare. They are made with few and wholesome ingredients. They are gluten-free and no refined sugars has been used in these recipes. Both recipes are perfect as a breakfast or as a snack or whenever you are craving for some sugars. I prepare these cookies once per week, and whenever I have a very hectic morning routine, I grab 2 or 3 of them with my coffee to go. And so could you too. But before continuing with the recipes, please take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell in order to receive all the notifications. And now let's prepare the recipe. For the oatmeal cookies recipe, we are gonna need 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of almond flour. You can use also other type of flours, but I prefer the gluten-free almond flour. Then some peanut butter, half cup of agave syrup or maple syrup if you prefer. Then 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or coconut sugar. You can also use any kind of sweetener that you like. Then the flakes, egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of sea salt, and for some extra flavor, I will add some vanilla extract. These ingredients are enough to make 20 to 22 cookies. Take a big mixing bowl and start adding the dry ingredients, the rolled oats, the almond flour. Making a lot of cookies, I have found out that the almond flour is the perfect to make the cookies crunchy and chewy. Then add the brown sugar, add the baking soda, and a pinch of sea salt. The sea salt will balance the taste of the cookies. Then we will mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Then we are gonna leave all the dry ingredients aside and we're gonna start preparing the wet ingredients. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, then add the agave syrup, or you can use also maple syrup here. Add the peanut butter, or if you prefer, you can use also almond or cashew butter, whatever do you like the most. Then we are gonna add also the flax egg. Here I have used 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 6 tablespoons of water to prepare the flax egg. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix the wet ingredients until they are well combined, like in here. Then we are gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ones. Mix all the ingredients until it will become a thick dough. In order to get soft and chewy cookies at the end, do not overmix the dough. Then we are gonna divide the dough in 2 parts because we are gonna prepare 2 variations of oatmeal cookies. The first variation that we are going to prepare today is the chocolate chunks and hazelnuts cookies. We are going to use some semi-sweet chocolate for this one. We are going to chop it into small chunks. It takes a little bit of extra efforts to do it, but it is worth it because the cookies at the end will be fantastic and chewy. Then a handful of hazelnuts. We are going to chop them into small pieces. Then we are gonna add the chocolate chunks and the chopped hazelnuts to our dough, and we are gonna mix them with slow circular motions, and we are gonna leave the dough for 10 to 15 minutes to rest before baking. Meanwhile, take a baking pan, lay the parchment paper and start preparing the cookies. Take some dough and roll it between the palms of your hand until you form a small ball. and repeat the process. The cookie balls should be 2 to 3 fingers away from each other so the cookies have space to be baked. The second variation we are going to prepare is the cranberries and coconut flakes cookies. Add 30 grams of cranberries and 20 grams of coconut flakes to the dough. Then mix it well. When the ingredients are well combined, we are going to start preparing the dough balls like we did with the other cookies before. Then we are going to place them with a distance of 2 to 3 fingers to let them space to be baked good. Then flatten the cookies using your fingers. A very good tip is to wet your fingers with water because this way you will prevent the cookie dough to stick to your fingers. Then preheat the oven at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. When they are baked, leave them aside for 15 to 20 minutes to get cold, then enjoy them. These cookies are crispy on the outside and chewy, dense and fudgy-like on the inside. They are simply delicious. Dear friends, I hope you really enjoyed these 2 different oatmeal cookie recipes and that you will try to make that at home. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.